Controversial ads like these are plastered all over giant billboards in Toronto, and they're raising major concerns from health experts who call them dangerous. These are part of a large-scale national pro-vaping campaign paid for by a tobacco company. The message is brazen. Hypocrisy kills. Quit the lies. An all-out attack on what it describes as misinformation on the dangers of vaping. But Imperial Tobacco Canada, whose parent company sells Vype vaping products, claims their Facts Not Fear campaign isn't about selling product.
Essentially, it's misleading advertising. The industry has always had an operating principle over the years that doubt is their product.
Michael Purley, director of the Ontario Campaign for Action on Tobacco, isn't shocked by the ads. He says it's all part of the tobacco industry playbook.
For decades, they tried to tell us that cigarettes were not harmful, and now they're trying to tell us that vaping products are harmless, or at least almost harmless.
As of February 25th, 18 cases of vaping-associated lung illness have been reported to the Public Health Agency of Canada. 14 of those cases required hospital admission, and there have been 0 deaths. But one of the major concerns continues to be youth vaping. A study from the Centre for Addiction and Mental Health found that the use of e-cigarettes more than doubled among Ontario students between 2017 and 2019.
And that is from CAMH, which is a reputable organization. That is a fact there. So how does that square with what you're saying in terms of misinformation?
Well, like I said earlier, there is an issue with youth vaping and it needs to be addressed.
But some claim that the ads don't help the issue.
They're going to see these ads and think that vaping is okay.
That's not at all what we say. Like, I've never said, and the campaign never says, that vaping is harmless. What we're saying is, if you're a smoker, it is a less harmful alternative to smoking.
Don't believe anything that the tobacco company, who owns these vaping companies and has only to profit by selling and targeting young people who are not smokers, don't believe them.
Health Canada recently investigated the campaign and mentioned website to determine whether they were in violation of the strict rules on vape advertising. But the fact that the ads don't specifically mention Vype products has helped the company skirt the rules. In a statement, a spokesperson says Health Canada has reviewed the Imperial Tobacco advertisement published in national newspapers, and no further action with respect to this advertisement is deemed necessary. Health Canada will continue to monitor advertisements to determine whether compliance action may be required under the Tobacco and Vaping Products Act. Now, a complaint against the campaign has been registered with the Competition Bureau of Canada. That complaint coming from the advocacy group Physicians for a Smoke-Free Canada. In Toronto, Natividad, City News.